DOST Negros Oriental, ang amog yung tuyo ani is really as part of our mandate to promote technologies for adoption, better commodities to promote, but commodities nga murag in line na po sa na hibalan sa ato mga communities, namely kaning poultry, native chicken, and even ducks o Itik. Been implementing this small enterprise technology upgrading program set up nga pwede maka-provide me of funding support to business enterprises. It could be farmers associations o mga cooperatives, even individual farmers, as long as registered ni silang firms nga they can avail of funding from the DOST setup. For example, for acquiring technologies, like for example, solar-powered incubator, yung ana. So, kana siyang assistance would be a big help sa ato mga cooperatives and other companies nga